Muscle mass and brain health may seem like separate concerns, but a growing body of research is revealing a powerful and deeply connected relationship between the two, one that has profound implications for aging well. Far beyond mobility or appearance, muscle strength is now recognized as a key protective factor against cognitive decline. As we age, preserving lean muscle and engaging in regular physical training can do more than keep the body strong. It may also help keep the mind sharp, delay the onset of dementia, and support overall neurological resilience. The mechanisms linking muscle and brain health are multifaceted but rooted in biology that reflects how integrated our systems truly are. One of the most significant connections is the role of physical activity, particularly resistance and strength training, in boosting levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is a protein essential for neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections, repair itself, and retain memory. When muscles contract under load, the body releases signals that stimulate BDNF production, supporting both learning and memory. As a result, people who engage in regular strength training often perform better on tests of executive function, processing speed, and attention compared to those who remain sedentary. Muscle tissue itself may also play an endocrine-like role, releasing signaling molecules called myokines into the bloodstream during exercise. Some of these myokines have been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation and promoting brain cell survival. Chronic low-grade inflammation, which tends to increase with age and sedentary behavior, is a known contributor to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. By engaging in physical training that builds and maintains muscle, older adults may be able to counteract this inflammatory process, helping to protect the brain from accelerated aging. Another important link is cardiovascular health. Stronger muscles, especially those developed through resistance and aerobic exercise, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood pressure, and enhance blood flow throughout the body, including to the brain. Better circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells, supporting energy production and waste removal. Over time, this improved vascular function can help preserve the brain's structural integrity and delay the cognitive losses often associated with aging. In fact, research shows that individuals with higher levels of physical fitness and muscle strength in midlife are at significantly lower risk of developing dementia later on. It's also worth noting the role of independence and mobility in supporting mental health. Maintaining muscle mass helps older adults stay active and socially engaged, two factors closely tied to reduced risk of depression and cognitive impairment. When someone can move freely, they are more likely to participate in meaningful daily activities, interact with others, and maintain a sense of purpose, all of which stimulate the brain and reinforce mental agility. Conversely, muscle loss and frailty often lead to isolation, inactivity, and increased risk of mood disorders, which in turn compound cognitive decline. Importantly, cognitive benefits from physical training appear even in those who start later in life. Studies involving older adults in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s show that starting a consistent program of strength or resistance training can lead to measurable improvements in memory, focus, and decision-making. These changes are often accompanied by physical improvements such as better posture, faster walking speed, and greater balance, creating a positive feedback loop between body and mind. What this growing body of evidence suggests is that preserving muscle is about much more than strength. It is a safeguard for the brain. The same workouts that support joint health, metabolism, and balance are also quietly nurturing the neural pathways that govern memory, mood, and cognition. This makes physical training not just a lifestyle choice, but a foundational part of any long-term brain health strategy. In an age when cognitive decline is one of the most feared aspects of aging, the empowering truth is that building and maintaining muscle offers a proactive, science-backed defense. It's a daily vote for vitality, not just for how we move, but for how we think, remember, and experience the world.